Hi there, Ugly Charlie. Hey there, Thumb Crumba. So, what you doing? I don't know. Just standing here talking to you. Okay then. Hey, there's Ice Lodge Wedgehead over there. Have you ever met him? No. Wait, Ice Lodge? That's a terrible idea. Just a hotel filled with ice? That's a terrible idea. Who would do that? It's so freezing. I mean, what are we going to do when everybody figures out the thing with the ice? That's just horrible. Everybody will be so cold, too. I don't like being cold. I don't like being cold! I wasn't saying you had to stay at the Ice Lodge. I was just telling you Ice Lodge Wedgehead is over there. Oh, well then I would like to meet him. Okay, let's go over here. Or we can just take Ice Lodge Wedgehead over here. Ice Lodge Wedgehead, come over here. Hey guys, what you doing? I like to stand on my head like this. Ice Lodge, Ice Lodge, Ice Lodge, Ice Lodge! Oh yeah.